Got a big game tonight, so we need a big meal.
And a Big Mac.
And a Big Mac, so we decided to go to McDonald's. The Sunday fun day. McDonald's meal, a nice Big Mac or a double quarter pounder with cheese, large fries, Coca-Cola. Yeah, so pre-game meal is really vital and important, so make sure you eat good food.
I might pass out. I'm so hungry right now.
Yeah, I know. Me too. But this is just heaven on earth. What can you say?
So excited. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, look, the chicken Big Mac looks really good too.
What's up, sexy?
They're still stiff.
I don't doubt it.
Second look.
Second time playing them. Oh, I love that.
Look good though.
Look good, feel good, play good.
I don't know about the last part.
Yeah, you do.
We'll
Yeah,
see.
you do. Well, you look really
I'm
good.
still like, I don't know, it's just gonna take some getting used to it. But I tied it to my pants, so let's see if it, can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if it keeps it up.
You did a good job, babe. Also, is it just me or did that McDonald's put us in like a food coma? I'm like so tired, dude.
I'm not up to this game right now.
I'm crashing. I'm just so tired right now.
I have to burn off this McDonald's, this Big Mac, double quarter pounder with cheese.
Oh, get it, babe. Nice save.
I guess I can deal with them.
At least it stays up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just wish there was like an alternative way to like not have to wear pads, but it's not too bad. I just feel like I'm gonna have to get used to it around my knees, my kneecap.
Yeah.
But I look good, right? On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. How good do I look?
10, always.
10. That's what we think, but what do the people think?
10.
Hey.
If they don't come at 10, then YouTube's gonna ban them. I think you're a 9 and I'm the one you need.
Huh?
I said you're a 9 and I'm the one you need.
Ooh, that's a good one. I like it.
Oh. Let's go! Yes, sir? Good night. Let's go! Woo! 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 What just happened?
We just scored to make it 1-0. 14 minutes left in the first period. I think so. I thought it was somewhere in here. There you go. fucking defense already been around, bro. Damn, I should have saved that. My glove was a little too high, and then he went like 7-hole or 6-hole, whatever it's called.
Snap! What just happened?
That was an insane pass. We just scored, make it 2-2, like 10 seconds left, 5 seconds left in the first period. I got drilled in the head again. This time my helmet didn't splatter off. But I'm gonna smack somebody if they hit me again. We just scored to make it 3-2. 17 minutes and 30 seconds left in the second period. We just scored to make it 4-2. 15 minutes left in the second period.
Good save.
That's off, that's off, that's off. The one that went in, that's off.
But it doesn't. That's still in.
No,
Wasn't it goes in over here in the net?
it went over there.
The net
That was off.
Dude, what? Come on, the net was off. The net's off, yeah. Isn't it? I hope it is. Should be, right?
We scored to make it 5-4, 12 minutes and 20 seconds left in the third period. It was a deflection.
Nice, babe! Get down, get down. Saved it, yeah, right?
You got that on camera. Of course I did. Hell yeah.
Got that dog in him.
We just scored to make it 6-5. 3 minutes left in the third period. The other team called a timeout. There's 2 minutes left in the third period.
Shot, babe.
All good, boys. All good.
Let's go! Let's go! Oh, come on. What is the defenseman doing? Are you kidding me? I can't stand this kid. Woo! Took it like a champ. GG's. Woo!
Alright, parents, thanks, man. You too, man.
Oh my gosh, good job, babe. Woo! How you feeling?
I was just telling Paris, the other goalie on the other team, he's been like helping me out. I felt a lot better. It was a good game, fun game. I'm really pissed I didn't save like 2 of those. But to be honest, it was my defenseman's fault.
Honestly, that's what I said on camera too.
Honestly, I'm like, dude, every time I make a save, it's like open to another guy.
I was like,
and I was like, it should have went to a shootout, and I was pissed it went to the shootout, but I was like, you know what, this is good content. So.
Yes.
But yeah, it was a fun game. It was cool. I haven't been in the shootout in a while.
That's true.
That was cool.
True.
Saved 3 for 3.
It's been a long time. Actually.
Read them like a book.
Right? Read them like
that was
a
a fun game to
book.
watch, right? It wasn't like
Yes.
the shootouts are always fun.
It was fun. Good job, babe.
But I'm like zonked.
Yeah.
McDonald's before the game, I don't know.
It was so worth it.
It was worth it, but I don't think we should do that again.
Deal.
I'm being completely honest.
Deal.
But if you guys like the content, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you guys think of the videos. Love all you. And peace out!